Welcome to a mesmerizing tale that takes us deep into the heart of Hong Kong's culture, the Bun Festival, a gravity-defying spectacle that has enthralled generations. To understand the Bun Festival's roots, we must journey back through time. Originating over a century ago, this festival emerged as a defense against a plague that once gripped Cheung Chau Island. Legend has it that villagers crafted imitation buns to deter evil spirits. These buns were believed to bring protection and good fortune when consumed. The Cheung Chau Bun Festival is a week-long affair celebrated on and around Buddha's birthday on the 8th day of the 4th moon on the lunar calendar, around end of April or May in the Western calendar. Attractions include a parade of colorful floats and costumed children, as well as the bun snatching, where participants climb up steel towers or mountains covered in steamed lotus seed buns, trying to snatch the highest one before snatching more as they race down. The mode of preparation is steeped in tradition. Skilled artisans painstakingly create these special buns using a time-honored recipe passed down through generations. The centerpiece of the festival? The gravity-defying bun towers. Constructed with precision, these towers stand tall, adorned with thousands of these sacred buns. As the festival approaches, excitement brews. Participants, young and old, gear up for the Bun Scrambling Competition, the pulse-racing pinnacle of this celebration. At midnight, the famous Bun Scrambling event takes place in front of the Pak Tai Temple, the oldest and most important temple on the island. It's an incredible spectacle as well-trained competitors race to scramble up a 20-meter tower covered with buns, collecting as many of them as they can in 3 minutes. It's not merely a parade or competition, it's a symbol of resilience, unity, and the enduring spirit of Hong Kong. As we conclude our journey through this gravity-defying celebration, the Bun Festival remains a testament to the strength of tradition and the vibrancy of Hong Kong's cultural tapestry. If you've been lucky enough to experience this remarkable festival, share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cultural explorations.